Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Forge in Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is to go to any browser, from here search for Minecraft Forge, then from here you're going to see Forge files, download Minecraft Forge, so just click on it. Then you can see right here from this page, going to click accept, then installer. Then once you go to the installer, you're going to ignore all these ads and we're going to focus on this portion right here on the top right where it says please wait. And then once it's done, you're going to click on skip. And once you click on skip, it's going to install for us the install right here. So choose any location. I'm going to just choose stuff right here and I'll make just a file. It's called Forge. Once you click on it, save. And then once you save it, it's going to download right here. And once it downloads, just make sure that it ends it right there. And then once it does, just open the file location. So as you can see, once it's done, just click on it. Now from here, it's going to start running. Just make sure that your Java is updated and installed. And once you do that, just click on install client and click OK. Once you do that, it's going to now download the library and build the processes and everything. So just leave it for a few minutes. Once it finishes installing, click OK right here. Now, once you go to Minecraft Launcher and run it, you should find a new version for Minecraft that is installed and ready to play. And just like that, once it loads, you can see right here Forge is installed. So just click play and then make sure that you click the I understand box. And once you click on play again right here, it's going to prepare the game. And then once it launches, it's going to be in the Forge update system and it's going to be installed properly. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.